This is just a short recording of a question I was asked about marking offline or downloading full grade center onto an Excel spreadsheet. So Blackboard allows you to download the grade center in the whole for a course, or you can select columns which might be opened and worked on in a spreadsheet application such as Excel. So why would you want to do that? So for example, exporting details of students who are enrolled on the course, it's useful for that. Entering marks and giving general feedback for an assignment without having to log into Blackboard. Exporting tests and assignment data for record keeping purposes. So that you can perform calculations through Excel is also a good reason. Or you just might want to have a copy of an Excel file of the full grade center for your own use. Okay, so this is how you go about that. You scroll down to the control panel, click on the grade center link, go into the full grade center. And you'll notice in the top right corner your option to work offline, and you're able to download the whole of the full grade center if you wish, or you can select columns if you wish to just select certain columns for your records. Okay, and just click, because all these settings are quite common, and the default settings are usually sufficient. Once you're ready, just click submit, and this is going to download the full grade center for me. So click the download button, and there you see the file appear, and I'm going to open the file as an Excel spreadsheet, and we can take a look to see what that looks like from Excel's point of view. Okay, so these are all the columns, the student names, student IDs. If you expand these columns, you get a bit more information. Then you get the attendance and the marks associated with any submissions the students have been involved in. Okay, there you go. That's how you download a spreadsheet of the full grade center.